What's up, y'all? In this video I'm going to make a super easy pea trellis just by using a couple pieces of wood I had laying around and some 2-foot chicken wire fencing. I'm just going to stretch this chicken wire out as much as I can, kind of line it up with my wood. As I get that lined up, I'm just going to add the crossbar. I'm just going to try to square this up as best I can. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything, but I just don't want a lot of chicken wire sticking out where it doesn't need to. So now I'm just going to drive a couple screws in on each corner. Main thing here is just be careful you're not using a couple of screws that are going to end up sticking out of the back. Since these peas are going to be super light, you don't need a strong frame to hold these up. You know, it's not like you're growing cantaloupe on this, so it's going to hold up just fine. Once I got the chicken wire rolled out and my frame completed, I'm going to take a pair of needle nose pliers and cut the excess chicken wire off, and it's basically going to be done. I have my garden stakes driven into the ground where I'm going to put this trellis so my peas can grow up on them. Just going to attach it with a few zip ties, and that's going to be about it. The only thing I'm going to have to do is once these peas start growing a little bit, start training them to, catch onto the fence, and they'll just do the rest on their own. They're pretty much all grown up now. I've been producing a lot of peas, been enjoying them a lot. I'd like to thank you if you watched this video all the way through. I appreciate it. If you're not currently subscribed and you're watching this video, I would be thrilled if you would just hit the subscribe button. And hopefully I'll see you around again soon.